Hello, my dear friends. My name is Levan Purceladze. My homeland is Gurjani municipality in the Kakheti region of Georgia, the heart of wine production in this beautiful country. In our region, we host the number one wine festival in Georgia, the Gurjani Wine Festival, which celebrates our rich winemaking heritage. I'm reaching out to share an exciting opportunity with you, a dream I've held for many years. I own land with breathtaking views of the Caucasian Mountains and surrounding vineyards, and I envision building a unique wine barrel hotel in this land. This will be the first of its kind hotel in Georgia, a place where visitors can experience the country's 8,000 years old winemaking tradition. However, due to financial challenges, I've been unable to bring this dream to life until now. With your support, I hope that my dream will come true and I will welcome you in my hotel. Thanks in advance, my friends.